That's my best friend, Todd.
Who's this?
Where
are you guys?
This is the local news in Dallas, and we're on the set of the news, pretending like all the anchors in between commercial breaks are always on the phone doing their hair. So we were just pretending to be on there, just cutting up, having a good time.
That's great.
That's totally crazy.
Oh,
this is my hair product.
We got your hair product.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
What is this stuff?
gave this to me. What is this?
Oh.
You just checked it. No, this is my blankie. This is my very first
Yeah, this
blankie.
is my blanket, and then my long
My
hair.
very first one, yep. This was a pillow that I had, and then it turned into a blanket. I cannot believe she sent this. I don't know. This is cute. My sister probably picked it up. I cannot believe they sent me Jacob's pillow.
Yeah, what'd you get in your refrigerator?
Okay.
That's so weird.
No alcohol. Why didn't you guys get hooked up with any alcohol? Oh, because you don't drink?
Iglesias! I'm so excited.
Is that the new Britney
Oh, look at that.
Brittany.
Okay.
I want to get
Britney, I've never heard that
This is
Britney
my hair
CD.
product. I can never.
I want to hear it.
Yeah, this
I've
is
never
awesome.
heard that Britney CD.
You've never heard
Never
it?
heard
Oh,
it.
you can.
How old is this picture?
Is that that song you were talking about, Maddie?
years
That
old.
was on.
That's,
Oh, okay.
like 4 years old.
That is awesome. How old are
Hey,
you?
mom's beautiful, buddy.
I'm like,
Yeah.
thank you.
Mommy's beautiful.
Yeah, mom.
Yeah, she is. And that's your sissy?
That was us at the Texas
You look
game.
just like my boy Manny in that picture. Like,
You look at family.
Exactly
wow.
like it.
Yeah.
Oh, my Carolina.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
They said after tonight, no alcohol, so we can't.
What?
Well, no, just
Just now.
for now. So don't ask everyone. Just leave them alone.
Okay.
Oh, my
Got a little too heated, evidently.
I love
They're just like,
Carolina. She
the
does.
robes
She looks
don't
like
look like they've been
She's
washed.
not what I pictured.
So I'm gonna leave those alone.
No, I was thinking like a bulldog too.
And if they have
How come they didn't put the pick of him and nails?
She's like this tall and she's huge.
She got a blue eye and a
They
green
Probably
eye.
just wanted to
They changed colors.
That clean.
And now they're
don't wanna
green.
go back and
They're not
like
blue anymore. She's got a little part of blue and green.
So
Any markings on her?
That looks like a professional
She's
picture.
pure
doesn't it?
white.
She's beautiful.
I love her.
Beautiful.
I love her.
Reminds me of Kitty.
That's crazy. That's
She
Jacob.
reminds me of my dad.
Her ears remind me of
Yeah.
Samson.
Look, she poses.
She does.
poses.
Yeah,
I mean,
she does.
She was like 3 or 4 months old there. She's 2 now.
So
So
Jacob?
weird, man.
That's adorable.
He's a good kid.
Oh, I hate that picture.
That's
I like that
I
picture.
love that
Thank you.
picture. You
Oh,
look adorable,
Oh,
Sharon.
we will.
I love it.
Congratulations.
It's
Hey, anytime
so
listen to
cute.
Brittany.
I honestly, I love
My
this
hair's
picture.
like down to here.
Why did you
in
put
this
your mom and
picture.
dad?
Where you going? You bouncing?
No.
I
I hate that picture too.
Congrats.
Jacob. Yeah,
excited?
that's my.
I
one
am
of my
so
ex's names.
stoked. Crazy.
I have a better picture. I mean, this picture I have
Yeah,
like
my grandma's
framed in
quilt, my
room.
Texas long.
Come on, I want pictures. I want to see the basket.
Maybe.
Come on.
Maybe
Come on.
works. Oh, no.
Yeah, maybe we'll work something out.